Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can create an e-commerce store with Webflow, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to webflow.com. In the top right corner, click Get Started. Enter your email address, click Continue, then create a strong password and select Create Account. Next, enter your first and last name and click Continue to move forward. Once you're inside your Webflow dashboard, navigate to Libraries and Templates, then select Marketplace. In the search bar, type e-commerce free to explore all the free e-commerce templates available. Scroll through the options until you find a design that matches your style. When you find the one you like, click View Details to learn more about it. Then, click Use for Free and choose Create Site. Give your new project a name and click Create Site again to confirm. Now you'll enter the Webflow editor where you can fully customize your store. You can click or drag any element to adjust it as you like. For example, change the headline text to your own store name, like Alexander Lawrence Store. Once you're happy with your design and settings, click the Publish button in the top right corner to make your online store live. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.